In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio per slide in Canva. This feature can really enhance your presentations by providing background music or voiceovers tailored to each part of your slide deck. To begin with, it's important to mention that you need to have Canva Pro to make use of this functionality, as it provides the necessary tools and resources. So let's dive right in. First, you need to open your Canva project where you want to add the audio. Make sure you're on the correct page and that your design is all set. You'll be needing your browser open. There's no need to install any additional software. Simply go to Canva's site and log into your account. Once inside the editor, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You will find a panel with various options like templates, uploads, and under it, the audio option. Click on this audio tab, which will lead you to Canva's audio library, where you can explore a variety of tracks. If you have your own audio files, this is where you would have them uploaded to. Just remember, this feature is exclusive to Canva Pro users. With your desired audio file in mind, you're ready to attach it to a slide. Pick the file you'd like to use. Let's say it's a soothing background track you found, or perhaps recorded narrations. Start by dragging and dropping the audio file over the specific slide you want it to accompany. This simple action links the audio to that particular slide. Once the audio is placed on a slide, the media toolbar will allow you to personalize the sound. For example, if you've chosen a track by Staffen Carlen that runs for 3 minutes and 40 seconds, you can adjust which segment overlays your visual content. Click on the title of the track and a timeline will come into view. Here you have the freedom to trim or move the part of the audio track that best aligns with the timing and mood of your slide. You can repeat this process for each slide you want to enhance with audio. This way you create a dynamic presentation where each piece of content is perfectly matched to its unique sound. It enhances storytelling, maintains audience engagement, and can make your message more memorable. Once you've finished editing, preview your presentation to ensure everything sounds just the way you want it. Check the transitions between slides and the consistency of audio volume across different parts. It's these little details that can make a big difference in your final presentation. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on adding audio to individual slides in Canva. It's a straightforward but powerful tool to make your presentation stand out. Try experimenting with different audio choices to see what works best for your project. Thank you for watching and happy designing.